Is it really so easy to turn your back on your house? Your own kind? Your mother?
Here we go. Don't talk about his mama, bro.
Aberrants like you should.
What is good, y'all? We are back with the latest episode of Monkey Wrench. Today we have episode 4 titled Plague Walker. Now, last time we had Us and Them, in which Beebs and Shrike had to deal with, for one, Scratch. But then the Agari and Us and Them was a being, and Us was trying to find them, and they had to use the power of music to kind of save the day. And Shrike finally played the chords that Beebs taught him. And yeah, that was kind of a quick summary of the episode. If y'all want to see that, go check out the Monkey Wrench episode 3. But we talking about episode 4. I really don't know with this show. I'm not going to lie to you. So we going to have to get into it. Now, if y'all enjoy this, hit Monkey Wrench with the goodness. That's like, comment, subscribe, share. Lock it in by hitting the bell. That is the goodness. Hit them with it. And if y'all enjoy my reaction, please do the same for your boy. Let's get to it. Accident ahead. No unauthorized personnel beyond this point. Don't you hate when this happen in traffic, bro?
Trinity protects.
Trinity provides.
Bro, he was ready to up
Sorry,
it.
they're hard to see in all this blue.
So, what's with the,
Some dunce tried using red ink in a blue drive. Made a right mess of things. Gotta make sure it's clear before folks can move on.
And how long is this gonna take? Some people have places to be.
An hour, maybe 2, tops.
An hour or 2.
Well, as you, were.
Say, if some people happen to be itching to let off some steam, there is a place nearby I could recommend.
Don't yell at me.
When have I ever yelled?
But I have some good news and some bad news.
Bad
What
news
are
first.
you doing?
Just seeing if it's intact after them. You wonder what's in it?
Don't you know? You took the job.
The bad news? Something to do with the standstill?
Suits out there say they tore a hole or something. We're gonna be stuck here for a while.
And the good news?
Thick chick?
Really?
So y'all going gambling?
With your problem?
I've been clean for like, what, a week?
What's
Okay,
his
a week.
problem?
I'm good. Let's stretch our legs. We gotta hang out for a bit anyhow. Look. They even got a mech shop to fix your arm. They're cheap.
And a betting hall, and a bar, and a strip club.
And ritzy food.
1 hour. Then we're back on the job.
You know, I ain't gonna lie. Every episode, I just think this in my head. I think a Beebs cosplay for me would go crazy, bro. Just get like the metal workings for the arm. I got the beard where I can pull the hair back. I got kind of the shape too until I get into the gym.
We need to go on a holiday after this.
It'll be easy.
Somewhere remote.
And fix up mi amorcito. Don't worry, cariño. Papi will fix you up. Don't. What? I wasn't gonna use it.
Last time I gave you a copy of the company card, the bucket turned red.
It was a business expense.
I'm not trusting you in a casino with this.
Yeah.
Oh, but I have to trust you when you're talking to mushroom ghosts. I see how it is.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Okay.
I shouldn't have taught you this.
Repeat after me. I will not.
I will not.
use this card
Use this card.
for anything but a legitimate business expense.
That could happen to be in this casino.
Shrike,
Oh, for anything but a legitimate business expense.
He got his
just
fingers
think
crossed.
for at least 2 seconds before you act.
Okay, but first, pizza, bye.
I hope you gave him a fake card. I ain't gonna lie.
Sorry. Sorry. Excuse me. Oh, sorry about that.
Why, as I live and breathe, it isn't every day I see kin outside the homeworld.
So, Beebs, you part walrus? Also, I was thinking, oh yeah, you apologizing for being a big body. You shouldn't have to do that. Then you run into even bigger body.
You'll forgive me for asking, but what is your name? I'm simply terrible with names, you see. And you look so familiar.
I wouldn't tell him.
Browns.
Under what house?
Barrick.
Ah, yes, of course. Good genes, large, strong. Shame. One would assume it was something on the mother's.
Oh,
Well,
whoa.
no need to dwell on it. Mistakes are best
Don't
left
talk about his
behind,
mama.
after all.
Y'all, you can't bring that little bit tidbit and not go into detail. Joshua Palmer. All right. We need to see what he talking about. He just violated Beebs.
The plan. Go to the tables. Win big. Fix up the bucket. Go on holiday. Profit? Okay. On the one hand, money. And I'll show Beebs I'm right. On the other hand,
Your
tengo
promise.
que ser bueno.
And here he is, the legend you've all been waiting for. The Duke of Dance, the King of Swing. He's not dead, it's Disco Head.
You asked for a miracle and you
Disco
got
Head?
me, baby, yeah! Are y'all having a great time tonight? Let me hear ya! Wow, either my ball is too thick or y'all ain't being loud enough. I'll say again. Are y'all having a great time tonight? That's more like it.
I don't think she consented to you putting that in her mouth.
Hot diggity damn. Now, I do apologize. The place must be such a mess.
Are you a brother?
What with the merger of Thick Chick, Dance Old Rama, Jello Jigglers, J-Face, oh, you know. Well, looky here. If it isn't one of our fine boys in red. Oh, where we'd be without our honest, hard-working law enforcement. Having no trouble keeping the peace. Are you handsome?
Todo está
Don't touch my chin.
No need to worry. We take
Don't be me,
good
bruh.
care of upstanding officers such as yours.
Hey yo, you a real freakazoid, bro. Why is your mic caked up? Why is your mic busty?
As with all our patrons here, everyone is welcome. Let's hear it for the law lads. Come on now. And
You know this pimp got intergalactic hoes.
generous soul. For the next hour, all winnings are tripled. Hey kid. Today's your lucky day.
You thumped, boss.
Agent K, inform
Agent
Kitten and
K?
JB our guest has arrived.
Hitting them,
I hope
JB.
he brought a gift.
Ooh, I do enjoy surprises.
Is Agent
Hot damn.
is Kitten? Who is it? Kara?
Could this be it? Could
The
this
cat
be the
assassin
pizza
chick?
that'll change our lives? Let 'em roll, baby! Arrivo! Ha! Ah, that's right, Shrike is back, baby!
Wow, Shrike, you want all the money super easy and fix all the problems with
Abs.
the money you have won. You are the best in the galaxy. And I am wrong to stop you from gambling. I now trust you 157%.
Yes! This is it! This is the pixel that'll change our lives!
You lost it all.
This is your last one.
Fine! Shut me off! What's one more thing in the pile?
How you spill it all? Come on, Shrike.
Sir, just a couple more minutes and we should have you all set.
Thank you.
The usual, Doc, and make it
Oh,
snappy.
oh, girl.
Time's a wasted.
Yes, Queen Tiny.
Tiny, yeah.
3, get to it.
Finally trading in that piece of scrap for something new, eh, Browns?
Just getting her patched up. So, how's the pirating going?
You tell me.
What happened there?
Isn't it neat? Oh, Miss
I-
Kara was in a hurry
Oh,
last
Kara.
time. But I'm sure when we meet again, she'll finish it. I can't wait.
All done, my queen.
I tell ya, I should have cut my own hand off sooner. The power, versatility. Plus, I can do this.
It does feel good to get this dead weight off for a while.
Speaking of, where's that twig Sanchez? You finally snap him off?
Huh? No. He's off doing his own thing.
I can't believe you actually like keeping him around. Dumbass could barely cut it as a red suit. The only reason he's still alive is because he leeches off of you.
Well,
Hey, yo, don't say that, bro.
Take my advice. Don't limit yourself, Browns. You're only as good as the company you keep. You know what's holding you back. Cut it off.
Ma'am, based on how you treat your underlings, there is no reason for him to follow you. Everyone is disposable to you. They're useful until they're not.
Now, where's that loser Rickard? I'll just follow the sound of his whimpering.
All done, sir. Would you also like your tusks polished? Oh, I am so sorry. I mistook you for a Warrenian.
That's all right. It happens all the time.
Why don't he have tusks?
No, he didn't.
Sir, is everything okay?
Don't worry. I can cover this for my friend. We have dinner plans.
Who is this dude?
Walking! Popularized by Jawbone of the pirate group Scythe Lord, young wannabe pirates are risking it all to score big in the quarantine zone. The cataclysm occurred 8 centuries ago, but some
What's with
believe
the
that there
upbeat
are
music?
still treasures within worth hunting for. Law enforcement has asserted that those who breach into the QZ will only find horrors beyond their comprehension, and a 97.01% chance of infection.
I'm gonna have to come back
death.
and read this. I ain't gonna try to pause every 10
A
seconds.
hefty bounty. Plague walkers can be easily identified by their unusual green hue. As this is a matter of public safety, law urges that if you encounter any plague walker, you must report their location to them immediately.
Ah, the news. Ever the purveyor of horror and woe, sinking us ever deeper into the mire of misery. Ricket? Sorry, was that too dark? Oh, Ricket! My sweet, stupid Ricket. Sweet? You won't believe what happened.
Not the stupid part, the sweet
You
part.
blow all your savings on some wacky gambling scheme that failed and now you're broke?
Yep.
How'd you guess that? I was there, Shrike. I saw everything. I wish I had it. Anyone tell you you've got a gambling problem? I was trying to help. It's not my fault.
You know Beebs gonna be on your ass later, right?
Was supposed to work. But it didn't. There. I'm sure that new partner of yours, what's his name? Beard? Beebs? I've only read his shirt. Anyway, he seems like an understanding guy. You know, for a Walrenian. And not that being a Walrenian is bad or anything. It's just that I heard they can be a lot. You shut
Is it Walrenian?
Yep. Beebs is the
Like
best.
walrus? Indian?
A lot. I wrecked everything. Again, I know what would cheer you up. There's this video of a cat lady that's been going around. Everyone likes it. Here, look.
I don't think I like myself.
Ricket, what do you like about me? You should eat something.
That is a whole fire.
Ricket? How'd you get over there? And green.
Oh boy, here he comes.
Plague Walker.
Rat! What the f is this? You and Neen setting me up with the Reds? You shit!
No, Jawbone. It ain't like that. This is just a good pal of mine.
Why the f is he wearing Reds gear then?
Oh.
They ain't putting me back under the knife. If they want this suit, they can cut it from my cold, dead.
He's a little sad right now.
Drunk as hell.
F***ing pathetic is more like it.
Oi, control your language, JB. Remember the agreement?
You better not be screwing with me.
No, that's mine. Okay.
Where's Queen Bitch at? Or does she want me to give it
Language.
to you?
She won't let me.
Then why are you here?
I don't know.
She better hurry her ass up. My time is short. So what made you quit, Little Red? You get bored telling people what to do? Couldn't keep the public safe from naughty words? Being the primary's lapdog, too. Rough? Ha! Get it?
You can't talk to Ricket like that. He was talking to you. Shut up, Ricket. Fair enough.
Hey, I'm just ribbing ya. Law. What a racket.
I hate this guy, bro.
You want a real thrill? Want to live life on the edge? Be a man.
You want a chin that's bigger than the state of Texas.
Give plague walking a shout. That'll put some flame on your bones.
Only a numbskull would risk messing around in there.
Don't say slurs, Shrike.
Well, as the Terrence once said, no risk, no reward. That false idol of theirs might have blown the galaxy to shit. But hey, at least they're junk cells. Plenty of it out there. If you ain't afraid of a little color. Don't even get in
Don't do
here. Ain't no trick to it. You just gotta hit the right spots. But a sad little red like you won't go further than the length of your own dick.
You wouldn't get far then.
Think you're funny, huh? Got something to say? Then say it.
No te debo nada.
Ooh! Smug like a red, blabbering like a Terran. Anything about you that's actually good?
His aim.
I don't miss twice.
I ain't moving. Take your shot, Little Red.
Guys, don't fight.
Oh, let it happen. Let it happen.
Which is me.
What jawbone?
Tiny.
That's queen to you, bonehead. So, where is it?
I didn't bring it.
We agreed 2 weeks.
2 weeks isn't enough.
How far did you even get?
To Papa Gasoline!
Dude, that's the second boss in the game. You only got that far?
Y'all talking about a game?
Weeks? You suck!
Nah, taking 2 weeks to get to the second boss is nasty work, bro. I got to Godric. Yeah, it's so many Godfrey, more God. It's so many gods in that in Elden Ring. I got to Godric in like maybe day 2, 1 or 2. Margit took me a while for the first time.
He's at it again.
Not fair. We were fighting fine.
You just letting that thing sing. That pea shooter ain't gonna do nothing to nobody.
Oh, no. See it here. It was only joke. Funny.
You're coming with me.
I was about to say, no way, that's the end of the episode. Let's get back with Beebs.
Your cocktail, Mr. Ajax.
Not to your liking. I can get whatever you like. Waiter!
I'd like to leave. Please.
I've noticed your tusks are absent. You are fairly young, but they should be of significant length by now. I hope there's nothing wrong with them. I couldn't imagine being held back by something so inferior. Not many employers I know would take the liability.
I want to leave now. Please.
Oh, it's a pity what your father has been through. He has never recovered. The utter shame that you bring upon him. Covered. The utter shame.
Beebs did this earlier, bro. Is this like a what is this? It's creepy. I will say that. I thought black and red was dangerous. White and red might be worse.
That you bring upon him. I can correct that, however. Remove your stain from House Barrack.
I appreciate your offer, but I'll be leaving now.
I didn't give you permission to leave. Sit down. Who exactly do you think you are? Is it really so easy to turn your back on your house? Your own kind? Your mother?
Here we go. Don't talk about his mama, bro.
I'm addressing you. Turn and face me, you aberrant!
Ooh.
You struck me? You struck me? The impudence!
Ooh.
Get out of here! Now! You, close to get...
Yeah. He struck back.
Aberrants like you should learn
Hate
their
it.
place.
somebody just eat a hit from Beebs, bro. That's scary. Huh?
Name, Shrike Sanchez. Species, unknown. Endling status. Age, estimated mid to late 20s. Current occupation, law enforcement. This right?
Right? No.
He's like 26, 27?
My head. What do I do now?
You had one.
Which one of y'all freaky guards locked him up with fuzzy pink cuffs? That's all y'all had on hand. What was y'all doing? Okay. You had her in all kinds of positions. Strapped to... Was she strapped to this chair? Because that's nasty. My God.
One too many and started blasting in a public place. Thought a Red would know better.
I keep telling you people.
Record's a mess, too.
Ain't you the guy from the tunnel? Not again.
Just a safety precaution.
Can't you loosen him a little?
I'm gonna need you to answer a couple of questions for me first.
Shoot.
That cargo you're carrying? Who assigned you that contract?
I don't know. Beebs got it from some blues a few days ago.
Have you or this Beebs opened it?
No.
Has anything unusual happened whilst it was in your care?
Define unusual. Hey, what's it doing out there? That's my thing.
Correction. That's our thing. We're simply taking it back.
What the hell is going on?
Now, this is a setup from the beginning.
Disorganized than we thought.
Listen, I am a merc. I just do what I'm hired for.
Spoken like a true civil servant.
Okay, this is getting too weird. Can I go?
Oh, I do apologize, but you can't leave yet. Seems you're on the books for a private dance.
She's oh so excited. I've been told so much about you. Well, in a matter of speaking.
Oh, you know each other. Then this will be less awkward.
She hasn't quite forgiven you for that little incident on Oberon, cracking her one-of-a-kind mask. Tisk, tisk. But that's not the worst part, is it, m'lady? She's become quite the topic of discussion online. Kara, mighty assassin, felled by... tape. How embarrassing.
Yeah, I was gonna say, don't touch her.
Oh,
You might lose that arm.
Creative some of these are. Damn! Look at this one.
Only I may tease her.
Aw, no fun allowed. Well, looky here. Now that's a strange place to get a piercing.
Órale, no me toques, idiota!
Where'd you get this glamorous gleamer, kid?
Dolian wants their stuff back. Today.
Apologies, JB. Gotta check on the merchandise.
Let's see if you live twice.
Kitten, do me a solid and save that gem when you're done. My girl could use some jazz.
I'm just saying, killing him won't really redeem your rep. You really got to go put in that work. You got to get people caught, like catching you on camera, putting in work, bro. Killing him ain't gonna do nothing. People just gonna be like, they probably ain't gonna know you the one who killed him. She really gonna free him. Watch.
Ugh, fine. But I ain't watching.
What is in there?
Eyes forward, mister. Hello? Yeah-huh. Oh, how delightful. Seems there's a disturbance on floor 3. Back in a few. Whoop!
Damn.
Gatita. Instead of carving
Hit it with a dismantle.
I repay you some other way. Shouldn't we have a safe word?
Good move. Very good move.
Oh,
Just in the nick of time.
Wait. Shrike? Whoa, crazy cat lady!
Using her as a weapon. She getting a mean jumping on accident. Good way to use the chair. I ain't broke the tusk.
Time to go.
Now. Excuse me. Pardon me.
Get 'em, boys. Get 'em, girls. Get 'em, bays.
You just throwing random people at him?
Pronouns over here. Well, I've done all I can do.
Can you explain what he's all about?
Care to explain what this is about? Out the way!
Ow, my coccyx!
Get back here!
Tanine, the more and more we see you, the stupider and stupider. You saw them go that way. He going straight through it. Not even, my bad. Y'all dynamic duo, lock in. What's up with her eye? All right, Beebs, get to the gym. Beebs, get to the gym. This is the second person that done easily blocked or HO attack in this episode alone. Get to the gym, my boy. You can't be going out like this. You one of my favorite characters. You too big body for her little body to be holding you. I guess it's not her strength. It's whatever that energy is. Said, pick it up.
I can't believe it! You're here too! Oh, you can finally finish my thing!
Okay.
Didn't think to detain the dangerous pirate?
If actual Reds can't keep her locked up, what makes you think I could?
You gonna help her out?
Nope.
I'm sure JB can handle the rest. He's gonna have to. More security to Doc 9, please, and thank you. I just got this place, man.
Don't yell at me, but I have good news and I have the
Where's the crate?
green guy took it.
Green guy took it? And I suppose this green guy also took all our money, too.
That was an accident.
Using our card to gamble when I specifically told you not to.
You promised.
Was an accident? Shrike.
I just wanted to use the one pixel. Honest. One thing led to another, and I just wanted to help. You've been working a lot with everything, and I just thought that if I could win big here, you'd have a bit of a breather.
Nah, that was for you.
I know you mean well. You think you're trying, but we really could have used that $5 million.
5 million? Why didn't you tell me that contract was worth 5 million?
If I had, you would have done something stupid. Joke's on me, you did anyway.
I said I was sorry.
No, you.
But look, Beebs. For $5 million on the line, he about to do something stupid, but it's gonna cancel out the other thing that he did that was stupid. All right, 2 wrongs don't make a right, but 2 stupids just might.
You didn't.
Well, I should have.
I agree.
Good. Gotcha. Hueso verde. I told you I don't misplace payaso.
How the f are you still kicking?
Hey, his chase down badge gotta be crazy. Is that the next episode? All right, hold on. See, okay, I like that they do this. The music costs 10 bands. Voice acting, almost. Jeez. That's crazy. First, second. Oh, wait, so no. It's now dead. What? I don't get what that is now dead is. So it costs 50 bands per episode, which that is very expensive. And also, if you think about anime, it's cheap. But for this to be an indie project, this shows how much they're putting into this. Understand, I don't know how much Joshua Palmer makes or how much money is going in his pocket, but he needs our support, bro. 54,000? Goobus Goobus. I'm guessing these are the higher level patrons. YouTube members. All right, before it ends, let's talk about it, bro. Shrike. you keep learning and regress. Like you learning different points, bro. I want to see Shrike become an overall great, dependable teammate for Beebs. Beebs, I want to hear more about your like history, about your backstory, about your people, because it seems like you're kind of the runt, outcast, kind of embarrassment of your family, and I want to hear more about that. What happened exactly? Tyneen, you were. Will she ever get that? I guess scar completed by Kara. Shrike, and I think Shrike and Beebs at this point. I don't think it's just Shrike anymore. Run, cause she after y'all. She is after you. I hope y'all catch who y'all chasing. The Plague Walker. But if you like, when you catch him, keep moving, cause she right there, bro. What was it? Agent K and Disco Head. I think that's his name. Who like? It's a lot of new characters added every like episode or so that are constantly building a universe. And I know that like Scratch here done appeared in, I think it was 1 and 3. I don't know if he was in 2. I forget, but he wasn't in this episode. But you know he gonna probably make a comeback at some point. But yeah, Shrike, I knew you was gonna blow it all, but I hope you didn't. You know, but yeah, you gotta be better, bro. It's only 2 of y'all. He is depending on you. Beebs, you got a good heart. You got a good heart. Cause if it was me, come on, let me get the car. No, not gonna happen. Nope. Look, here's a penny. Turn that into $1, and then I give you another $1 to go with it. That is it, bro. I don't know how you gamble with a penny, but make it work. Also, Joshua Palmer, thank you for showing the breakdowns because, like, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. In the next 5 years, I wanna do something like this, bro. I would love to have my own like animated short stories or like series or something going on. I'm not gonna be animating it, of course, because I mean I could I could, but that's gonna push the timetable from 5 years to like 10. All right, I gotta learn back how to draw. I gotta knock that rust off. Learn how to draw digitally, and then learn how to animate and find animating programs, all that. But there are some dope artists that if they would ever want to collab with your boy, draw for your boy, hey, I'd be willing to, I guess, give them a good 30, 40 bands to animate me 10, 20, 30 minutes. I don't know how much they, rates and stuff, but if by 35 or like, or I guess 5 years, I wouldn't be 35, but if I got, if in that 5 years I got that done, bro, I'd be happy, bro. And it'd be fire. All right. I'm doing nothing but the best. And yeah, because watching these all the time just be making, like, I'm like Julius Novachrono from Black Clover. I be getting inspired by art all the time, and I just want to make more stuff for myself. Bring some of my ideas because there are so many great artists out here, like Joshua Palmer in this whole series. But I'm gonna end it here. If y'all enjoyed this episode of Monkey Wrench, link will be in the description. You should have already. I mean, it's the title right there too. Hit them with the hit them with the good description. Hit them with the goodness, bro. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Lock it in by hitting the bell. That is the goodness. Hit them with it. And if y'all enjoyed my reaction, please do the same for your boy. This has been your boy Reggie Wolf. I am signing out. Peace.